Here is the A-SUB vinyl sticker paper in glow in the dark. I'm really excited to give this a try. For these glow in the dark vinyl stickers, I decided to go with something that would look really cute on there. So I am thinking some little aliens here, some monster type aliens. These are really cute here, but I think I'm going to pick these because I think they are just adorable. I started in my Creative Fabrica account. I have the all access. I'll have a link below for that. It is such a good deal to have the all access. There are so many things that you can do with this. But I just typed in alien stickers here, and so there are so many. There's witches, alien witches, and all kinds of fun things here that you could do. These are cute too. It's not Christmas time, so I'm not going to pick that one, but that would be really cute for Christmas. These are cute here, the one-eyed aliens there. But I think I'm going to go with this one. So they're kind of the Pixar 3D Toy Story alien characters. So I'm going to download this and then I will get this uploaded to my cutting machine. I use the cardstock setting for this. All right, and here we go. Let's see how it cuts. Almost done. Well, these turned out really great. They came out so nice. They're nice and thick. So now let's go see how they glow in the dark. All right, so I've got my cute little alien on my Stanley mug here. So I am going to take this in a dark room and let's see what it looks like. Oh my gosh, this is so stinking cute. I just love it. He turned out so good. Here is the A-SUB printable fabric stickers, 8.5 by 11. And here is the sheet. It's got a real neat texture to it. So let's get these printed. For these printable fabric stickers from A-SUB, I decided that I would look for some cute little monster stickers for these. So again, I'm in my Creative Fabrica. I have the all access account and it has got so many great sticker choices here. And I'll have a link below for that as well. But I found these cute ones. I just absolutely love this set right here. I've downloaded them before and I've used them, but this set's really cute too. And here's a book lover monster sticker. There's just so many to choose from. These are cute too here. They're all adorable, but I am going to go with this cute monsters here. And so I am going to download this and then we will get them uploaded to our cutting machine so that we can do these printable fabric stickers. On my inkjet printer, I use the settings Premium Presentation Paper Matte, High Quality, and I turned bidirectional printing off. I'm going to be using my Cricut Maker 3 to cut out these A-SUB fabric stickers. And I looked online to see what the best setting for this was, and I found printable vinyl white green liner is what it suggested. So that's what I'm going to be using in my settings. Well, these printed really nicely, so I am going to get this centered on my cutting mat here and see how they cut. And here we go. Let's see how these cut. Almost done. These stickers really have a unique feel to them. Definitely a fabric texture. So I'm going to get this one on my Stanley and we will look at it. This sticker really is unique. I mean, you can literally see the texture of the cloth. All in all, I think these are pretty cool too. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel, see links below, and leave me a comment.